fast-evolving world of compact drones, two names have been making waves among enthusiasts and beginners alike: the Potensic ATOM 2 and the DJI Mini 4K. Both are lightweight, portable, and promise cinematic footage without breaking the bank or requiring registration in most countries. But which one truly delivers the best blend of performance, features, and value? Let's dive deep into their strengths and differences under the most important categories. Design and build quality. Both the Potensic ATOM 2 and DJI Mini 4K are designed to be ultra-light, tipping the scales just under 250 grams. This not only makes them travel-friendly, but also means you can skip the hassle of drone registration in many regions. DJI's Mini series is renowned for its robust, refined build quality, and the Mini 4K continues this tradition with a design that feels durable and premium in hand. Potensic, however, has made significant strides with the ATOM 2, upgrading materials and gimbal mechanisms for a more solid feel than its predecessor. The ATOM 2's improved 3-axis gimbal and high-quality plastics give it a surprisingly upscale impression for its price range. In short, both drones feel well-made, with DJI having the edge in long-term reputation, but Potensic closing the gap quickly with this latest release. Camera and image quality. The camera is often the deciding factor for aerial photographers and content creators. The Potensic ATOM 2 comes equipped with a half-inch Sony CMOS sensor capable of capturing 48-megapixel stills and 4K HDR video at 30 FPS. Its standout features include an AI night mode for superior low-light performance and a promise of future log video recording via firmware update, which will appeal to users who enjoy color grading and post-production work. The ATOM 2 also supports slow-motion video at 120 FPS and panoramic shots, expanding creative possibilities. On the other hand, the DJI Mini 4K sports a 0.3-inch CMOS sensor with 12-megapixel stills and 4K video at 30 FPS, but it records at a higher bitrate, 100 megapixels, for sharper, less compressed footage straight out of the camera. DJI's image processing is widely praised for its natural colors and balanced exposure, though it lacks dedicated HDR or log profiles, and there's no night mode. While the Mini 4K's sensor is smaller and its stills resolution lower, its JPEG and RAW outputs are reliable, especially for those who want great results without heavy editing. If you crave higher resolution, creative control, and better low-light shots, the ATOM 2 leads. For consistently good results with minimal fuss, the Mini 4K is hard to beat. Flight performance and stability. Both drones deliver impressive flight performance for their size. The ATOM 2 uses PicSync 4.0 transmission, offering a 10-kilometer range and a stable 1080p live feed with low latency. Its 3-axis gimbal ensures smooth footage even in moderate winds, and the drone is rated for level 5 wind resistance, up to 38 kilometers per hour. The Mini 4K matches this with DJI's OcuSync technology, also providing a 10-kilometer range and exceptional connection reliability. DJI's proven flight algorithms and stabilization make the Mini 4K particularly steady, even in gusty conditions, which is a key advantage for those flying in unpredictable weather. Both drones are agile, responsive, and easy to maneuver, though the ATOM 2's hover can be slightly less precise and its joysticks are a bit more sensitive, requiring a gentle touch for smooth cinematic shots. Overall, both offer a stable, enjoyable flying experience, with DJI having a slight edge in reliability and polish. Intelligent flight modes and tracking. This is where the Potensic ATOM 2 pulls ahead. It boasts a suite of AI-powered flight modes, including follow, spotlight, and parallel tracking, allowing the drone to autonomously lock onto and follow subjects. These features are invaluable for solo adventurers, action shots, or capturing dynamic scenes hands-free. The ATOM 2 also offers 6 quickshot modes: pull away, rocket, circle, spiral, boomerang, and dolly zoom, making it easy to create cinematic sequences with a single tap. Its AI night mode and panoramic capabilities further enhance its creative toolkit. In contrast, the DJI Mini 4K is more limited in this department. While it does offer basic quick shots, drone, helix, rocket, circle, boomerang, and panorama modes, it lacks any kind of subject tracking or advanced intelligent flight features. This omission is notable, especially since DJI's higher-end models include these modes. For users who want their drone to do more of the flying and filming automatically, the Atom 2 is the clear winner. Battery life and charging. Battery life is a strong point for both models. The Atom 2 and Mini 4K each feature batteries around 2,230 to 2,050 mAh, with manufacturer-claimed flight times of 31 to 32 minutes. In real-world conditions, expect about 20 to 25 minutes per charge, depending on wind and flying style. This is standard for sub-250-gram drones and should satisfy most casual pilots. The difference in claimed flight time is negligible in practice. A unique perk of the Atom 2 is its Smart Transfer feature, which allows rapid wireless transfer of 4K video to your smartphone at up to 25 megabit per sec. This is a time saver for those who want to quickly share footage on social media. The Mini 4K lacks wireless transfer, so users must remove the SD card to move files, a minor inconvenience for some, but worth noting for those who value speed and simplicity. Controller and app experience. Both drones come with ergonomic, easy-to-use controllers that securely hold your smartphone. The Atom 2's remote features a central sliding bracket, while the Mini 4K's RCN1 controller uses a top bracket. Both are comfortable and responsive, though the Atom 2's interface lacks a dedicated button for switching flight modes, requiring users to navigate the app menus instead, a small usability quirk. On the software side, the Atom 2 uses the Potensic Eve app, and the Mini 4K relies on DJI Fly. Both apps are intuitive, responsive, and packed with features, offering live video feeds, camera controls, and access to intelligent flight modes. DJI Fly is more mature and widely supported, but Potensic's app is catching up fast, especially with the Atom 2's expanded feature set. Photo and video features. For photographers, both drones support JPEG and RAW DNG formats, allowing for detailed post-processing. The Atom 2's 48 megapixel stills outclass the Mini 4K's 12 megapixel shots in terms of resolution, though the Mini 4K offers AEB, auto exposure bracketing, and more advanced panorama modes, which the Atom 2 lacks. Both record 4K video at 30 FPS, but the Mini 4K's higher bitrate ensures cleaner footage with less compression. The Atom 2's HDR video, slow motion, and upcoming log profile add flexibility for those who want to push creative boundaries. Flight modes and user experience. Both drones offer three main flight modes: a slow, cinematic mode for smooth shots, called Video on the Atom 2 and Cine on the Mini 4K, a standard normal mode, and a sport mode for maximum speed and agility. The Mini 4K's flight is slightly more precise, but both are highly maneuverable and stable, even in light winds. The Atom 2's controls can be a bit sensitive, so switching to video mode is recommended for the smoothest footage. Price and value. The Potensic Atom 2 is positioned as a feature-rich alternative to the DJI Mini 4K, typically priced slightly higher, but offering more advanced camera and intelligent flight features. The Mini 4K, meanwhile, is DJI's most affordable 4K drone, delivering trusted reliability, a refined user experience, and excellent video quality for the price. For those seeking the most features for their money, the Atom 2 is compelling. For those who want simplicity and proven performance, the Mini 4K remains a top choice. So, which one should you choose? Choosing between the Potensic Atom 2 and DJI Mini 4K ultimately comes down to your priorities. If you value creative control, higher resolution photos, and advanced tracking features, the Atom 2 is the clear standout. Its AI-driven modes, HDR video, and low-light capabilities open new creative doors for ambitious pilots. If, however, you want a drone that just works, delivering consistently beautiful footage with minimal fuss and the backing of DJI's global support, the Mini 4K is a safe, satisfying investment. Both drones are excellent gateways into aerial photography and videography, offering a blend of portability, performance, and value that was unthinkable just a few years ago. Whichever you choose, your adventures are about to reach new heights.